Well, I'm just waiting for you to eat a cicada.
Not yet. Broth is good. Broth is really
It's good. All right.
I don't want to eat a cicada. I'm gonna stick with the broth for a little bit longer. It's nice. What do you think the best plan with this is? Is it just to chew the whole thing?
Just to be clear, this is. Can you just hold it up a little bit so we can see the cicada? All right. So this is Andy eating a cicada as part of his cicada soup.
Do I just put it in and just chomp down?
The only way to do it, I think. I would put a little broth with it to wash it down.
Yeah. If I puke into the soup, then the whole thing is finished. I'm not gonna eat.
Still going on the blog though. Don't look at it. I would just really not look at it.
I'm looking at my reflection. I'm looking at the man that's about to do this. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's just the idea is disgusting. The taste is fine. The texture's a little weird. But I'm freaking out.
Andy Ogden eating a cicada.